fear mo for Olivia?
Ang fear ko is more of yung well-being. When that day comes na, kasi pag nasa real world na siya, di ba, yung tatrabaho pa na and all,
She will be able to face it.
ma-face niya lang headstrong everything that she will go through. At saka yung her difference bring her somewhere she can ever imagine. Tsaka, di ba, as long as you're alive, there's always
Hope.
There's always hope. There's always a chance.
And Olivia will always be given that chance.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Because you have that, your mom is headstrong. Sabi ko, tingin sa lang nanay mo, walang tigil yan, kaya umayos ka eh. In other words. Diba? Sabi nga nila, a prayer of a mother talaga.
Ay!
Hindi
dinidecline yan.
Diba? So yung prayer mo para kay Olivia, hindi naman madedecline yan. And I think Olivia was sent also to you, diba?
Yes.
To make you stronger.
You know, Olivia also came at the right time in my life when I felt so alone. 28 years old na